Welcome back to my channel, my dear loved one. This time around, I'll be showing you guys how to actually position yourself for Starknet Airdrop. To those who got the free earlier, I would say another a big congratulations to you guys. It's not easy, and I'm so happy for you guys. So now, without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to business. Here, it's one of the best and cheapest, and also swift bridging sites on Starknet chain, which is layer swap, and that's what we'll be using for fast bridge and lesser fee. So make sure you have this. I'll drop the link to layer swap, and at the same time you need Argent X. Why am I using Argent wallet? The reason why I'm using Argent wallet is actually because I got a tweet from them where they tweeted that they will be making a draw, blah blah blah. We don't know how legit, how serious they are, how serious they are rather. But the thing is, we don't know. But it's very important to take every bit of information serious. I saw it earlier today, and I think we should make use of it. And they also made it clear that the people who also rate their usage, rate their app, will also qualify. Will also it's rating them will also serve as a criteria for getting their airdrop or thereabout. So I will show you everything you need to do from rating to bridging to getting your Starknet ID. I'll be showing everything in this video. So just pay attention, sit right and watch. So now the first thing you need to, I'll be bridging from Arbitrum to Starknet. So this will be the Arbitrum wallet I'll be using. I have a Bona wallet which I'll be using. So I'll just switch to, it's not really a Bona wallet per se, it's more of my airdrop wallet. I use it mainly for airdrops. I don't joke with the wallet either because I use it for a lot of tasks. So here it is. This is the wallet. This is the wallet I'll be using. This is my Arbitrum chain, Arbitrum one. So now you just go for layer swap. The source, which is my Arbitrum. I'm using Arbitrum, and the destination is Starknet. I'm sending to Starknet. I'm bridging from Arbitrum to Starknet. So on my Arbitrum, you can see the maximum you can swap is 0.5 and the minimum is 0.0038. So now to connect, you need to, what's the balance? What's my balance? You need to know what my balance is. Sorry, my MetaMask is yet to come up. Okay, I have 0.125 and I won't be swapping everything. So here, let's say I need to connect my wallet first. You need to connect your wallet first. So connect wallet first. It's very important. You can see where I click the option for wallets. That's where you need to just click. Once you click it, it will pop you. It will redirect you to where you connect your wallet. So the wallet just pop up. Even though it took a while, MetaMask can be slow at times. So I've just connected the wallet. So my wallet is connected. So now input the amount of your choice, because I have, as I earlier said, I have 0.0125 or thereabout. Yeah, so I can just use 0.01. You see, so sometimes you might be wondering, okay, what would 0.009 be? Because the Starknet ID, if I'm not mistaken, I think the Starknet ID is it's $18 or so, but let me check. So as you can see, if you want to mint for just a year, it will cost around 0.009. And if you check here, we have 0.0096 if I'm swapping 0.012. So I think it should be enough. You need to take note of this. If not, you have to be bridging over and over for you to be able to get the amount you require. So now I'll just copy the address, I'll paste it here, paste it. So that this is where the bridging, the money and the funds I'm bridging from Arbitrum to Starknet. This is the wallet it will drop. So let's just swap. I'm the owner of this address, confirm. Send from wallet. Now confirm in my wallet. It is very important to have the Starknet ID for you to qualify for the airdrop. So no one actually know the full criteria for this Starknet. Anyone that tells you you know the full criteria, the person is just bluffing. But it is very important to take note of this. So as you can see here, this is the total, including gas fee and everything. You can see the gas is 0.48, but the amount I'm moving plus everything is 4.34. So now just sometimes you can actually reduce gas. For those who don't know how to reduce gas, this is where you do that. I'm just showing you this in case of next time, but you don't really need to, since it's roughly the same thing here. But in situations whereby the gas is very high, you can always reduce gas from that particular side. You just change it to low. Once you click on low, everything should be fine. So now let's see our transaction. It said it takes less than 3 minutes. So let's wait. So as you can see, the swap just completed after roughly 7 minutes or so. Even though the state it was stated 3 minutes, but the connection was actually, the network was actually congested. So I believe that should be the reason why it was a bit slower. So the most important thing now is let's just go to our Starknet. Let's go claim our Starknet ID. Let's go by, let's claim it. This is the price. This is the price to cost. So now I'll mint a Starknet ID, minting this name, this price, saying I don't have enough, so I'll disconnect the one where the name is available. Then I'll register from layer 2. The reason why it was not showing this earlier was because I've connected before funding the wallet, so I had to disconnect and connect back. So let's go register from layer 2. Network fee is $5. Wow. So that means I am short of gas. Coming, that means I'll need to still fund this wallet once again. This is big bass boost. Okay, sorry, I'll fund the wallet now. Then we can continue. So I've just added more funds to my wallet. So now this is what I'll do. I'll just disconnect once again. If you check my wallet now, I just bridged more ETH to my wallet. So it's here to reflect here. You can see now it's showing 30.75. Even though I added more, it's just that their fee is so crazy on this platform. So just connect back. Always remember to change it to 1 year. Register. Oh goodness, the fee has just increased again. Oh, okay. Yes, so honestly, what I believe I think would be better to do is to wait for when fee will be lesser. So instead of, because if I should do it now, it will be costing 40, which was earlier 30 $30. So now what I'll do is I'll just give it some time. But for you that you're watching the video, you won't see how I mint it in the final stage. But the most important thing is that you know how I got here, and what you just need to do next is just to click on confirm, and that's all. That's all you need to do. Because if I should do it now, I'll need to move more for, and how sure am I that when I move more, it won't increase to, so you just have to. So that's one crazy thing about this particular chain. It's not a chain I actually have much interest in. I'm just making the video as due to the fact that a lot of people having difficulties doing the task. So that's why I just had to. So and about what I discussed earlier on how to rate the Argent app. I'll show you that now. So to rate the app now, I'll take you to the link, which is dapland.com. You just need to connect your wallet, connect and rate. You can see it. When you click on connect and rate, you click on connect. So after, sorry, let me cancel this first. So connect your wallet, connect. Sorry. So let's go to any of the dApps. I'll pick layer swap. Just give it 5 star. Can just do more wallet as much as you can. Okay, say I should activate my wallet. You see, it's even requesting for network fee to do this. So you can see. So to rate any app, you need to still pay fee. So I would suggest I'm coming. I suggest you find something like, let's go back, something like Argent itself. I don't know if their dApp is listed among the dApps. So I'll just look for the Argent so that you use the exact thing you are looking for. Okay, since it's not here, let's just use layers. Let's use layer swap. Let's rate it 5, activate, then I'll approve. Sign transaction. So one thing I need you guys to know is we've done this. So one thing I need you guys to know is there is an alternative. For example, now that I don't have enough funds, if you check now, it should be lesser than 30 when transaction is approved. So now it's yet to be approved. That's why you're still seeing 30 plus. So in case of, instead of wasting funds bridging and bridging and bridging every time and taking bridging fees, so here you can just come here. Instead of the bridging, you can come to Arbitrum 1, go here, go to Starknet, whatever amount you're sending, make sure you indicate the exact amount you are sending. For example, you're sending let's say for example you're sending 0.004, then you impute your wallet address, which is here, then this is the amount you'll be receiving. So you'll still be debited, fine. There will still be fees to be charged, but the only thing is that it will cost you less. It cost you lesser time. So this one, the fee seems even higher. So, but I just want to show you an alternative. So this one, it means, oh, I didn't show you from beginning. Sorry. I want to show you how I started. This particular one, the option you'll be selecting is when you come here. Let me disconnect the wallet. connect back. I'll show you everything so that you understand how it works soon. So you can see the wallet is connected now. Then here, click on this new. Sorry, that's not. So you come here. You can see instead of Arbitrum 1, you select Binance. When you select Binance, you click on. You can see now that the fee is now different. Compare the earlier one, it was showing I will be charged zero. You can see 0.0016 that I'll be getting. But if you're using Binance, let's see OKX. OKX is still the same, but when you're using Binance, you can see it's fairer. So now, once you come here, you just click on swap now. When you click on swap now, you tick this. I'm the owner of this wallet. Click confirm. So now it will give you a deposit address. So now you copy this deposit address, then go to your Binance, send 0.004 to this deposit address. So once you send it, you will now say I did the transfer. So once you click I did the transfer, it automatically now drop the the amount into your wallet. So, and you are fine. You don't have to keep waiting for the bridging time. So that's all you need to do. I'm not doing that now. That's why I'm not really doing it. So that's another alternative of funding your wallet. So guys, that's all you need to do on Starknet for you to position yourself for airdrop pending other time. Let me since this thing is up now, let's give it a try. So that's all guys. See that I believe this should go a long way. So thank you and see you in my next video guys. Bye.